Hey, what's up, guys? The Fiery Flame here, and I'm back again with another video. Now, in this video, oh, hold on, let me get a drink. Okay, now in this video, I am gonna be doing another challenge. This challenge is in this challenge, I'm going to see if I can drink, so yeah, in this challenge, I'm going to see, no, I'm not, just kidding, I ain't really doing a challenge, but in this video, I'm wanting to explain to you guys about the giveaway. Now, yes, guys, I promised that I'd do the giveaway on Monday, but I just forgot that I was gonna do the giveaway, but next week I'll do the giveaway. And the giveaway is gonna go to Fire Rage. So congratulations, Fire Rage. I hope you enjoy the giveaway. Now there's one thing I'm wanting to explain to you. And I bet this and some of you guys were wanting me to post another video. And some of you guys were actually wanting, and I know that some of you are actually wanting me to do another face reveal, but I am already doing videos where you can see my face. I mean, come on, guys, what more do you want from me, guys? Jeez, I don't mean to be mean, guys, but you guys mean a lot to me, and I don't really know why you're wanting me to do another face reveal when I already have videos that shows my face. But yeah, I'm already doing videos where you can see my face, so you can clearly see my face. Oh, but I still have this mask right here. Let me put it on real quick. Oh, come on, get on there, you. Get on there. Hazmat is here. So yeah, this is my mask. Oh yes, here is Hazmat. Yeah. Alright, guys, you guys really like that. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna go now. If you guys enjoyed